Real talk, just rap pack. Besides that, nobody I trust.
Back again like I never left. Young Sinai said that's to the death. We turned
all right, what is going on, people? Hope you guys are enjoying your weekend so far. Today, well, first off, welcome back. If you guys haven't subscribed, man, feel free. It's free.
Do it!
Also, if you guys go ahead and just hit the thumbs up on, man, if you guys enjoy my content, it really does help me out, and I feel like I get like 3 times the likes every time I ask you guys that simple request. So, it would be cool. I would appreciate it.
Just do it!
The sun's a little bit in my eyes. Hang on. Really didn't do anything. So today, well, first off, I have to be honest with you guys. I'm kind of uploading this video last minute because, well, like, oh, hang on. This seems like this is about to fall over. Holy, I caught you. So, yeah, this is kind of last minute because, well, I'll be honest, I don't have a video for today, and that's only I didn't not do nothing yesterday. Yesterday just consisted of little stuff. I mean, I replaced the oil feed line on the car. I was trying to mess and troubleshoot my gauge. No luck with that. I just messed with like boring little like tinkery tweaking stuff. So. Boring day. I didn't really feel like kind of filming random stuff just to film it, so I just figured out this would be a good time to take the time, sit down for a few minutes. I'm watching the clock, so we're not going to make this too long. I want to get a quick little update video for you guys as far as like what's happening, what the deal is, what you guys can expect, that kind of stuff. So, shall we start with? Let's start with the Z. So, the Z. What a great car, man! What a great car. Man, I love that car. So, obviously, you guys know. I mean, that thing has transformed within like no time. It's insane. So there are a couple issues though. So currently here's our issue. Yesterday was Friday. I was supposed to go to the track. I really want to go to the track. You guys don't understand like how bad I have like this urge, this bug. Like I wanted to go back the next day after last Friday. Like I was so hooked on it, and I still am, man. I just cannot wait to go back. But I kind of have to be smart about this whole situation and not just go because I want to go. So the Z, as you guys know, is our daily driver. We've been driving this daily from, oh man, since I mean through the whole winter. So I mean it's always been our kind of like a staple car. So I don't want to like destroy it, first of all, and at least not destroy it. I just don't want to make it so I can't really drive it as easily and like painlessly, you know what I mean? So so the reason why I didn't go yesterday is because, well, first off, my transmission is fine. Just real quick, my transmission on the car is fine. Well, actually I can't say that. Maybe the synchros or something like that are just going bad. That's also possible. But ever since I went to the track, so just quick heads up, I'm running a CD09 from 2007 G35 Infinity with an Autosports Engineering adapter kit plate to make it all work. And man, as you guys know, I've had like nothing but issues, honestly, with this whole setup. So what I've boiled it down to is it's just an alignment issue, because I was experiencing the exact same noise I was on the Z than I was on the 240. Now with the 240, I was running a KA trans with a RB. We're not going to get into that whole deal right now, but I was told it would work. I guess it works, but it never was right. Something was always a little bit off. So I kept blowing through transmissions, and I kept having the exact same sound I was experiencing with the Z. So it has to be alignment issues. That's really all it boils down to. Now, after we went to the track and beat on it a little bit, we were doing some first and second, hard gear changes and stuff like that. If you guys watched the video, you would know. And the last run of the day, I missed second. And it was like it didn't want to go into second. It was like this weird, like, it was weird. I really don't know how to explain it, but now, even just driving, just normal driving, not even ripping on it, not trying to shift hard, it sounds like it's grinding, or like it's just, like, it's like the mix between like a grind and like the sound I was having before. As you guys all know, I'm sure if you guys have been with us for a minute, I had to chop off the input shaft, and I do regret that, like 100%. I think that's probably one of the reasons why I'm having all these stupid issues. And I did that only because I was told to do that by the guys who make the adapter plates. So I was, obviously just going by their word, and, they made the product, so I'm assuming they kind of know how to handle the situations when something goes wrong. So I did that, and now here we are. Now I either have to get a new transmission or replace the input shaft, which I guess is easier said than done. I don't want to go R154s because they're like $2,500 or like $2,000 minimum, and they're not that strong, not as strong as everyone makes them out to be, and they're just really notchy, and I don't know. I mean, they're very expensive. For a 5-speed, I'd much rather just get like a Z32 trans, but then I still have to go ahead and buy an adapter plate and adapter flywheel, which is like $1,500 total. So it's like, wow, you know what I mean? Like, this is crazy, and it's just so frustrating because like the potential is there. Like, I want to be beating on this car, I want to be ripping, I want to go to the track, I want to have fun, I want to be slamming gears, you know what I mean? And like, but I can't really do that. I mean, not until I spend a lot of money, which, I mean, I personally am not spending that money right now on an adapter kit. I have a build coming, just real quick. So apart from the Z, I mean, I mean, it's great. The car is great. We have a lot of mods coming still. I bought a front lip and it doesn't fit, so that's great. I got side balances coming. I want to look into another front lip because I got to find a lip that works with this like KBD front bumper, and I was told that a 2011 to 2014 STI one works, and it didn't. So that was great. But yeah, man, I just want to sort out the issues with the transmission. That's all I want to do right now. That's all I want to accomplish at this current moment. That's my next goal. I just want to get this car just set and just done. Like, I don't want to worry about it. So what I want to do is I think I want to try and get like a Collins adapter kit. I hear a lot of people are running those and just never have, or at least don't really have issues, not that I'm having. So yeah, but like I said, that's an expensive one, and then we also have to go ahead and replace the input shaft, and then I don't know if I can use the same clutch with the Collins kit that I am with my current Auto Sports kit. So yeah, it's just, oh man, it's real good, man. It's real good. But I guess moving on to the 240, well, I guess in between the 240 and whatnot, I want to start, I mean, obviously I've done this in the past before, but you know, doing other people's builds, that really helps me out a lot. And speak of that, we actually have one hopefully coming. July is the plan. He's from California. I'm not going to tell you guys the car, but I will tell you that we're planning on using an RB20. I guess we're planning on using an RB26. We'll just say that, which is going to be awesome. I will not tell you the car. It's not an S chassis, but we are RB swapping a dope car. So this is going to be a lot of fun, man. I cannot wait for that. Hopefully things work well and fall into place how I hope they will be, or how I hope they will with this build. So that is to come, guys. It's going to be absolutely killer. It should be a monster. We have a pretty good power goal in mind, so it's going to be fun. All right, we're what, 8 minutes in? All right, quickly about the 240, guys. Quickly about the 240. So as you guys all know, we have an LS. Well, okay, I know you guys are all angry. We have an LM7, okay, a 5.3 truck motor, iron block, ready to go into the 240. I say ready, it's not really ready at all. I need a lot of stuff to make that work. So I'm currently in touch and trying to message out some companies to try and help us with the build. So hopefully have Siki on board. They actually messaged me on Instagram saying that they would be willing to do something. So emailed them. Hopefully we can work out something cool with them. But yeah, it's happening, man. So the LS, the whole LM, the V8, the 5.3. God damn, I keep calling it LS and whatever. LSs are aluminum blocks and they're 5.7s and whatever. So the plan is to just toss it in. As of right now, we were gonna go turbo, but that doesn't really seem possible as of now. Just, you know, we're trying to keep it budget and low cost temporarily. So we get that in NA, pop it in. Trans is gonna be an issue. We gotta source out a lot of parts, man. So we're just, shout out honestly to people that watch my content, man. I know sometimes it may not be too exciting or it might be boring or dry because it's, you know, sometimes it's just me out here and I'm just doing random stuff. But for those that actually watch my stuff, man, it really means a lot because of you guys, I'm able to continue to work towards my dream, man. It's yeah, it's a grind for sure. So we're getting there. So I just want to say a huge thank you to everyone out there that watches. That's just like a genuine thing that I wanted to say. So I appreciate it. And then once that's in, we're gonna have fun with the whole. I mean, it's gonna be a lot of fun. I want to take this to the drag strip. A drift car, whole thing. Let's touch upon the drift car things. I know a lot of people are gonna ask about this. Where I live currently, not really a drifting scene. I have to drive at least like 5 to 6 hours away just to get to a drift event. Then you have to pay for tires, gas, trailer, truck, transportation, food. Dude, like the entry fee for the event, which is at least like $100. Whereas, you know, the drag strip's like 15 or $25, and I can run all night. And it's, you're not blowing through tires and stuff like that. So it's way less aggressive on your car, but man, it was so much fun, man. I cannot wait till the time comes that I can fix the Z and get back out on the track, man, because I can't. That's kind of that. As far as the drift thing, so one day I want to move down to Florida. That's obviously the long-term plan, or like short-term goal. Just move down, maybe at least for the winter, and just, oh man, you know, I think I could have so much fun down there with the homies, with the boys. Obviously, you guys know we were just down there with HP Logic, Rudnick, those guys down there, and it was such a blast, man. So that's it. That's kind of like a general rundown. What you guys should expect, what's coming. This whole swap is kind of like the next big thing. We're just kind of working towards, I'm trying to do as much as I can in the meantime of waiting for parts to come. So if you guys have suggestions, we're going to work with the engine bay, we're going to work with wiring coming up pretty soon. So yeah, let me know what you guys think, man. We're going to make it. We're going to get there. We're going to get to where we want to be, man. So I appreciate everyone that's still even watching, because I'm sure a lot of people have already clicked off and whatever. I do want to go ahead and work on the interior a little bit on the Z. I want to keep like the stock. I kind of want to make it like an OEM plus feel inside. So I don't know if I want to get a fully aftermarket wheel. I kind of want to get like a Nissan. There's a company that makes like revisions of this Z wheel. They make like a flat bottom. They have carbon fiber. They make it real chunky. It looks really nice. It looks really nice, and it's like an OEM plus vibe. So I might go ahead and look into that. We're gonna go ahead and get rid of all the suede, or all the tweed, and replace it with suede. And it's gonna be, there's a lot of stuff. Seats, you know, we got plans, guys. Don't worry. It's just a matter of making that money, getting there, and just achieving our goals, man. That's what we're out here trying to do. So hope you guys enjoy the rest of your Saturday. I'm gonna get this uploaded really quick for you guys. Thanks so much for watching. Hopefully I see you guys back up here tomorrow. I'm working on the 240 right now. I just wrapped the roof on the Z. I'm gonna start on the engine bay today. So I'll see you guys back up here tomorrow. Have a great evening. Take care, guys. Peace.
Do it! Just do it! Just do it!